everyone, today on Tiago's Tips, we're making pumpkin pancakes. Tiago's Tips. Ready? Let's get started. We're gonna put our dry ingredients in here and our wet ingredients in here. 1.5 cups of flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. Chef's gotta taste this stuff. 1 teaspoon of salt. This is our secret ingredient, pumpkin spice. 1 teaspoon, like a spoon, first tea and spoon. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Now we whisk the dry ingredients. It's mixing up. You can mostly say flour because that was the biggest dry ingredient we added. And then we're gonna add the wet ingredients with this, and then wait until it's done. Now let's prepare our wet ingredients. This is the bowl. It's smaller than the dry one. 2 eggs. Oh, wow. Make sure you wash the hands while you're cooking. Now we're gonna add some pureed pumpkin. We like it extra pumpkin-y. Now we're gonna add some vanilla extract. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Vanilla extract. Now we're gonna add 3/4 cup of milk. Now we're gonna stir the wet ingredients. Now we're gonna add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. I got it, yes. Mommy's getting it all out. Gotta wash the bowl with everything. And and now we stir them together. Wow, I can't get this flour still. Wait. Yeah, it smells good. We're making these because my dad loves pumpkin pie. He's the one that's recording. Now we're ready to add some butter or some oil to a hot pan. We like to add coconut oil to our pan. When it starts to bubble around the edges, that's when we know we have to flip it. Now we just wait patiently. It's gonna take 5 minutes. Oh, mine's bubbling. Make sure not to have the flame too high. Okay, the pancakes are all finished. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Adios, amigos. Make sure to click the subscribe button.